Hello students, today we will do trick to remember periodic table. As we all know, it's important to remember this periodic table for chemistry point of view. So let's start. First of all, we have S block elements. In S block elements we have group 1 and group 2. And in group 1 we have alkali metals. So these are the alkali metals. First, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. To learn these elements, we have a trick, and that's it. That is Hi for hydrogen, Li for lithium, Na for sodium, Karo for potassium, Rub for rubidium, Se for cesium, Faryad for francium. So, hi Lena, karo rab se faryad. For this trick, we will remember our alkali metals. For group 2, we have alkaline earth metals. So, in alkaline earth metals, we have these elements. First of all, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and at the end, radium. So, for to remember these elements, we have a trick, and that is Bear for beryllium, Mange for magnesium, Karke for calcium, Sarkar for strontium, Bahut for barium, Roi for radium. So, in short, we will say Bear महंगे करके सरकार बहुत रोई. So, in this way, we will remember our alkaline earth metals. Next, we have P block elements. For P block elements, first of all, we have boron family. In boron family, we have these elements: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. So, to remember these elements, we have बोल आलसी गाएगा इंडियन ताल में. बोल फॉर बोरॉन, आलसी फॉर एल्यूमिनियम, गाएगा फॉर गैलियम, इंडियम फॉर इंडियम, ताल में फॉर टेलुरियम. नेक्स्ट वी हैव कार्बन फैमिली. In this family, we have these elements: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. So, to remember these elements, we have a trick to remember, and that trick is Kal, Sikandar, Ji, Shahenshah, Padhare. In this way, we will remember this carbon family. Next, we have nitrogen family. For nitrogen family, we have these elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, astatine, Sp for antimony, bismuth, Bi. Okay, to remember these elements, we have trick, that is news, paper, आज सब बिकेगा. So in this way, we will remember nitrogen family. Next we have oxygen family. In this family we have these elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. To remember these elements, we have trick, and that is oxygen, sulfur, से तगड़ा प्यारे. Oxygen, sulfur से तगड़ा प्यारे. In this way, we will remember this oxygen family. Next, we have fluorine family. In this family, we have these elements, and that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. For to remember these elements, we have trick, and that is फिर कल बारात आई अटल की. फिर कल बारात आई अटल की. In this way, you will remember this fluorine family. Next, we have noble gas elements. For this, we have these elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. To remember these elements, we have a trick, and that is हरभजन ने अरेंज करके 0 रन दिए. हरभजन ने अरेंज करके 0 रन दिए. In this way, we will remember our noble gas elements. And at the last, we have D block elements. In D block elements, we have 3D series, and in 3D series, we have these elements, and these are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. To learn these elements, we have a trick, and that is Shakti, Vikram, Fenka, Fanko, Nico, Zinco. To learn this trick, I will say Shakti, Vikram, Fanko, Nico, Zinco. So in this way you will remember 3D series. Next, you have 4D series. For this we have these elements, and that is yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, tellurium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium. So to remember these elements, we have a trick, and that is युवराज जाहिर नहीं मिले तो रुक राहुल पढ़ अगर कर चढ़ाएगा. युवराज जाहिर नहीं मिले तो रुक राहुल पढ़ अगर कर चढ़ाएगा. In this way, you will remember your 4D series. Next and the last series is 5D series. For in this series we have these elements, and these are hafnium, technium, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury. And to remember these elements, we have a trick, and that is high-tech Wi-Fi rate ओस इतनी पड़ी और हद हो गई. हाईटेक वाईफाई रेट ओस इतनी पड़ी और हद हो गई. So in this way you will remember 5D series. So hope this trick will help you to remember this periodic table. Thank you.